We are Can We Bark here, and we travel full-time in our RV with our dog Kona. Today I'm going to be taking you guys through our boondocking spot that we've been at for the whole weekend, and it was so much fun riding our motorcycle and exploring East Hope. So come along with us on this journey we're going to be taking you on for the next 2 days. Oh, that stick? You had to get that stick? Kona and I just got back from paddleboarding and worked up a bit of a sweat, so we're gonna take a dip and then we're gonna pack up the RV and we're gonna go into town. This boondocking spot has a limit of 3 days and we don't wanna exceed that, so we're gonna take off and go find a new spot. Are you gonna swim? Come on, let's go swim. Good girl. So unnecessary to be doing that right now. You did it! All by yourself! I was worried for a second. Alright, starting to sweat a little bit, but the paddle boards are packed up besides closing up this one because Kona decided to lay down. And the bike is packed up too. Now we're gonna head into Sandpoint and hang out in town for the day, and we'll see what this evening has planned for us.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go take a shower.
Outside?
Yeah, it's really nice outside and I don't want to fill up the gray anymore since we've been boondocking.
That's a good idea. There you go.
Ready. Woo! Run! It's cold!
It's on hot.
We didn't give the water heater, actually, we didn't turn the water heater on at all. Final thing we gotta grab is Starlink, as always. Gonna throw that in the window there, and we're all packed up, leaving it better than we found it, and with no trace. What a great spot. Can't wait to come back here and paddleboard again. Kona, that's my spot, buddy. Excuse me, that's my spot. Pretty well-maintained gravel road. Oh, and a porta potty too. So if you don't have a bathroom, you can use the porta potty over there. Right there, and that's where the boat launch is. This area was pretty full with.
Years ago, they tried to.
This area was pretty full with.
Years ago, they tried to.
Oh. We are back in Sandpoint, and we made a pit stop at the Bonner County Fairgrounds because this is where we fill up our water, and we can also dump here for free. Super convenient. And Ryan's about to do it right now. We are at Home Depot because I messed up and broke part of our toilet, so now Ryan has to redo it.
So this goes and plumbs straight into the black tank, the front of the Nature's Head. And because it's just a straight tube into the black tank, we added a valve, and so you can twist it when you're driving so the negative airflow doesn't bring bad smells to the front. So you close it when you're driving, and then you open it and it doesn't smell. But unfortunately, this piece just seemed to wear out over time, and then it snapped off. So it is currently in the closed position. And we're gonna go put a new one on.
I'm just too strong.
I know exactly what we need, so it should just take a sec. I have the PVC glue.
That's good. All right, here's our tester water. Are there any leaks?
No leaks.
Woo! Good job.
Back in action. We can pee tonight.
Good morning from a Walmart parking lot. We stayed here last night, and it was actually really convenient because we needed a couple things for dinner, so we walked over to Walmart and grabbed it. And now this morning I am going to take out the trash and walk Kona here, and I'm going to bring you along with me just so you can see what it looks like to camp for free and boondock at a Walmart that allows it. We hang our trash on our curtain rod right there, and then we got Kona's dog supplies right by the door conveniently. We also have a pile of sparkling water boxes I need to throw away. It kind of got a little piled up. That's okay because they have trash cans we can use here. Ready, Kona? Let's go. Good girl. Sit. This is also basically a truck stop, which sometimes keeps us up at night, but on the weekends it's filled with campers. You can actually see a couple in the distance over there that have been here for a really long time, and you don't want to be those people.
100% free.
Biba spot, we try to do the dishes and make the bed and kind of just clean up the RV overall from the night before, so that we kind of feel clean and refreshed, and also it's easier to just put things away and make us mobile. Gotta make sure our coffee's up front.
With the water. Good.
Goodbye, Walmart.
Don't feed these people. Ruin it.
You know, it's funny, I was on a walk and I said the exact same thing. So yesterday, after boondocking, we ended up spending the night at Walmart just because it's convenient and free. And this morning, we wanted a better view and a good place to explore, so we're at the beach in Sandpoint. So come along and I'll show you the area. All right, gonna lead the way. Not a bad spot. It's freaking perfect weather. The marina with all those sailboats. Can't wait to paddleboard later out here. Nice little playground. So beautifully maintained here. Massive swimming area. There's a cute little snack shack. So clear. And look at this view. Alright, here's our spot. It's a bit noisy because the freeway is behind us, but it is a beautiful spot and great for us to go on walks on the beach and explore the area right here from our tiny home. One down, one more to go.
Let's start pumping now, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. Not too bad. Good job, buddy. That's fast swimming. Fast swimmer. Alright, it's recording. Go ahead. No! No! Do not go with me. There's balance. You got everything?
Yeah. Don't need a shower.
It's just like the first time we've been on the lake by that campground.
Wait for me, I got little legs.
Kona has issues with not being in front. So whoever doesn't have Kona has to be the rear paddler. I think we got it. I think we're gonna make it into that marina. I think your privileges got revoked. You're now a full-time swimmer.
Shit.
Full cry. Look at the little, there's the pirate ship. Oh, you're okay. Oh gosh. You ready? You gotta listen. Road. It's not listening. Kona.
How about new?
Thank you for watching today's episode where we explored Idaho by paddleboard and RV. We had a lot of fun this week and we're excited to bring you a brand new episode this Sunday at 9:30 PST. If you could take the time to like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. And also if you have the means to help us out on Patreon, that would be great as well. We'll see you later.